What's the meaning of congestion? Congestion. Congestion.
Congestion. Congestion. Congestion refers to a state of being blocked or overcrowded by an excess of people, vehicles, or things. This can lead to traffic jams on highways, slow-moving lines at airports, and crowded public transportation during rush hour. Congestion can cause delays, frustration, and stress for individuals trying to navigate through congested areas. In addition, it can have negative environmental impacts due to increased emissions from idling cars and other modes of transportation. Addressing congestion often requires a combination of infrastructure improvements, alternative transportation options, and behavior changes by individuals.